Hi, little friends. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'm sharing surprise learning toys every toddler needs. Ready? Let's play and learn. First, stacking cups. We tap, we nest, we build tall towers. Up, 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 and tumble. Colors, sizes, big smiles. Next, chunky puzzles. Find the puppy piece. Turn, turn, click. Yay. Little hands, big thinking. How about wooden blocks? Red block on blue block. Balance. Clang. Shapes. Counting. Sharing. Now, shape sorters. Circle. Square. Triangle. Which one fits? Push. Pop. Hooray. In. Out. Try again. Sensory balls time. Squish. Roll. Bounce. Bumpy. Soft. Shiny. Let's feel and move our bodies. Tap tap xylophone. Ding. Dong. Do. Gentle sounds. Gentle hearts. We listen. We wait. We share turns. Books. 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 Big pictures, cozy pages. Point to the cat, meow. Reading time is cuddle time. Pretend playset, Dr. Kit, tea set, check heartbeat, pour tea. Kind words, caring, bath toys. Scoop, pour, splash. Boats float, cups drip, clean and happy, ready for bed. Tip time for grown-ups. Rotate toys so they feel new. Label colors and shapes as you play. Keep play short, sweet, and joyful. You can find friendly photos and videos on pexels.com. Bright blocks, soft books, smiling faces. You did amazing today. High five. See you next time for more gentle learning fun.